Suddenly, out of the blue, if you find that the Bose Soundlink Micro won't turn on, not power on, the power button doesn't work, then in this video we'll try to fix it when you're having this not turning on issue on this Bluetooth speaker. Now just in case if you're facing this issue right after unboxing, please note that this product is on shipboard. Just put it on charge for a while and then you can turn it on. Now, if that's not the issue, maybe the battery is drained for a long time. That's why it's not turning on. Then try to charge it for a few hours before you try to power it on. Now, if it's still not powering on, now just check if you are using the original cable and a functional power adapter. And also, don't forget to check your power source. If you think none of this work, you can just go ahead and change any one of them. It'll turn on or power on when it's charged properly. Now, just in case everything is okay, still not powering on, just connect it to any computer. Open the browser and go to btu.bose.com. From there, download the Bose Updater. Follow the prompt and then run the installer into your PC. And when you're in this update page, just go ahead and update your Soundlink Micro. If there is no serious hardware issue, after updating, your Soundlink Micro will turn on without any problem. Please let us know in the comment section which process actually helped you fix this problem. Thanks for watching.